In this session, I'm going to walk you through some very important initial settings you should configure before you start using Power BI. First, click on File and this page would appear, which is the home screen. From here, click on Options and Settings, then Options. Once you click on Options, you will find Setting Options. So here, first we will make sure that we click on Preview Features and make sure that On Object Interaction is enabled. Once this is done, we will move on to Report Settings and then make sure that under Pane Manager, always show the Pane Manager, and to save canvas space, they both are enabled. Next, we will move on to the security, and under security, we are going to make sure that ArcGIS for Power BI and Map and Field Map Visuals are enabled, which is going to be important for creating map visuals. Next, click on Data Load and make sure Time Intelligence is enabled. Once this is done, click on OK and then make sure you close Power BI and reopen for the effects to be enabled. All right, thank you for going through this video. We will see in our next lecture.